Welcome back to Island Life Live. All last week, we celebrated the life and accomplishments of Prince Jonah Kūhiō Kalaniana Ole during Kūhiō Week.
And it all culminated this past weekend at the Association of Hawaiian Civic Clubs Prince Kūhiō Parade in Kapolei here on Oahu.
The 2.2-mile parade started off at Kapolei Hale and proceeded east on Kapolei Parkway, ending up at Kamakana Ali'i Shopping Center with plenty people along the parade route.
Super good fun.
Yeah.
Island Life Live's Creative Services Director, Rebecca Teresio, was there to capture some very special moments, and we share them with you now. Enjoy. Wow, you saw that VW van?
Yeah.
That bugger was, that looked tight. I love it.
I know. You saw the new VW van? It's like an ID Buzz or something. That one looks pretty cool, but not as cool as that one. That was
one
my
is the vintage one.
Yeah, and so good to see a lot of our different cousins from different cultures join us as well.
Oh yeah,
yeah. So
that was beautiful.
Yeah.
The Prince Kūhiō Parade is one of 4 legacy parades that is recognized by the state of Hawaii. The annual gatherings bring community groups from all across the Pae'aina, all across the islands together to celebrate the life and legacy of Prince Jonah Kūhiō Kalaniana Ole.
Thanks, Rebecca, for capturing those very chicken skin moments.
Yes.
All right, a quick break now as we do head to our break. It's Crayon Day, and this is our You So Akamai question, which is not a crayon color. Again,